Ene tukurio moko sana rero riarenge umwana minto orwete ngumbu anyora time koja gutukwania iganka into ne family yabo. We have been friends for a long time. Igo etwago kiwa una ikira and to work renya sambi yamono ese ekrewe kamwa and abantu baminto mosabere yasamo echinguru amo echisembi egera akore gasi area promise y'abantu na into abantu buna Gachuba na Nyamira ngima tunyare go benefit ndagokore gasi nere.
Omugambi, thank you so much. Thank you for welcoming me into your home. Thank you for welcoming me into Nyamira County, Kisii County, Kisii region. It's been an honor to especially be here with the Obwaya family. The Obwaya family, personally, from you, Mugambi, you people have been good. You people have been good to our family. For those of you who know, America requires money to run successful campaign. I have to be a witness in front of you, in front of everybody, that the Obwaya family has always stood by my side. Both campaigns, not one, they have been there until now that we are here celebrating this momentous win. So I'm excited to see what the Obwaya family continues to do in this community and in Kenya. And I'm looking forward to the partnership that we will have together. Asante,
Baba.
Thank you.